about her injuries?
She kept on telling me she was fine, even though she was clearly distressed. I got the impression she wanted rid of me. I didn't want to pry. On reflection, perhaps I should have.
What sort of contact did you have with the defendant and Miss Stones at their GP?
Not very much, actually. They were quite private. There was one incident which, looking back, did seem a little odd.
In what way?
Mr. Dobbs came to see me with Ruby. He was worried.
How old was Ruby?
2 weeks ago.
Did the defendant have an appointment?
No, he just arrived in reception. He seemed quite agitated, so I agreed to see him straight away.
What did he say was his reason for bringing the baby to see you?